How to compress PDF without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can compress a PDF without losing quality. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to compress a PDF without losing quality, you can use tools like Adobe Acrobat Pro, Small PDF. You can also use online tools such as I Love PDF or PDF24, and there are several tools available. You can choose either one. So we can simply search for compressed PDF and hit enter, and you'll find a lot of different options available. So let's go to Adobe's website right here, compress PDFs for free. And after you're there, after you've chosen a tool, you'll need to upload a PDF. So locate a PDF. After you found a PDF, you can drag it and drop it. Then it'll take some time to upload the PDF depending on its size. And after it's been uploaded, you can then choose the PDF here. So there you can see the compression level. Now there are multiple options for compressing. So for aggressively reducing them, you can often select medium or the recommended option. What you can also do is, if there is an option to specify, use lossless option for text heavy files. This will help you lose less of your quality in the document. So from here, we can simply select the best compression option right here, which will change it to the smallest standard quality. You can see the highest quality as well, but this does not give us much compression. So you can choose either one. I'll just select the medium one since it has better quality than the high option. Then tap the compress button. Then the PDF should start compressing. And after it's been compressed, all you have to do is tap on this download option and download it. Then you can open it up and it's that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.